Carter, who is that?
Baby.
It's a baby. Hi, bud. We missed you.
See, baby, you can come over here and give me a kiss. You can come here. You can come here. You can come here.
Here, go over next to Dada.
Come over here, bud. Come over here. Kiss. He's like, yeah, it's close enough.
No.
What do you think? Be gentle.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Stop on him.
Give me a kiss in here. Dad will pick you up. You want to give him a kiss?
Yeah.
Just on his head.
Aww.
Okay, there we go. Okay, good job.
What's Baby 2 doing? Do you know that Baby 2 has a name?
His name is Grady.
Can you say Grady?
Done, baby. You done?
Baby 2's done?
You know what? Baby 2 brought you a present. He brought you a gift.
Do you want a present from Baby 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, yeah, here. It's from Baby 2. It's from Grady.
What is it? Caillou. Look around. Look, bud. Turn around. Honey, show them the front of it.